Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate images in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, how to write a solid prompt, and how to submit it so Claude can turn your idea into an image. First, open your browser and head to claude.new. This takes you straight into a fresh conversation so you can get started right away. If this is your first time here, don't worry. Everything we're doing happens right on this page, and the layout is simple: a left sidebar and a main chat area where you'll type and see results. Before you even start typing, it's a good idea to think about what kind of image you actually want. A lot of beginners skip this step, but having a clear mental picture first makes your results much better. Even something simple like deciding the subject, environment, and mood can already guide your prompt in the right direction. Next, look at the left side of the screen for a small plus icon. Click that plus sign. Think of it like opening a clean sketchbook page. Clicking it gives you a fresh chat space dedicated to your next image idea, which helps keep things organized as you experiment with different styles or subjects. Now, in the message box, type your prompt. This is where clarity really matters. Be specific about the subject, style, and mood you want. For example, instead of just saying a castle, you could say a misty medieval stone castle on a cliff at sunrise, cinematic lighting, dramatic clouds, ultra-detailed realistic textures. If you want a more artistic style, you can describe it like whimsical watercolor illustration of a fox reading under a lantern-lit tree, soft pastel palette, gentle glow. You can also guide the camera angle with terms like wide angle, close-up portrait, or top-down view. The more descriptive you are, the better your results will be. Another helpful tip is to think about real-world references when writing your prompt. For example, instead of just describing something generally, you can mention a movie style, photography style, or art movement. Saying things like Studio Ghibli-style lighting or cinematic 35mm photography look helps Claude better understand the visual direction you want, which often leads to much more realistic and detailed results. Also, don't be afraid to iterate. Your first prompt doesn't have to be perfect. Start with a simple version, generate the image, then refine it step by step. Each small adjustment, like changing lighting, background details, or color tone, can significantly improve the final output. This iterative process is actually how professionals refine AI-generated visuals. Another important detail is composition. You can guide how the image is framed by adding terms like centered composition, rule of thirds, or cinematic framing. This helps Claude understand not just what to generate, but how to visually arrange it. You can also control the quality feel of the image by adding words like highly detailed, ultra-realistic, soft lighting, or sharp focus. These small additions can completely change the final output style, even if the subject stays the same. Once your prompt is ready, click Submit or press Enter. Claude will process your request and generate an image based on your description. Give it a moment to render because it may take a few seconds depending on complexity. When the image appears, take a moment to review it carefully. Look at what matched your idea and what didn't. If something feels off, don't start over, just adjust your prompt slightly. Maybe change lighting, style, or detail level, then try again. This back and forth process is how you get really good results. Small changes in wording can completely transform the final image, so experimenting is key. And that's it. Now you know how to generate images in Claude by starting a fresh chat, writing a clear prompt, and refining your results step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.